my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell button so that every time na mag-upload ako, you are gonna get notified. So today's video, guys, I'm super excited to share this review with you dito sa Bello Intensive Whitening Bar, Kojic Acid plus Trinacemic Acid. Close up na natin. This is what I'm currently using, guys. So, for those who are asking kung anong soap ang ginagamit ko, this is the one I'm currently using. And I'm super happy sa results neto. That's why I'm sharing this with you guys. So this is the packaging, guys. Very simple, very cute nga lang siya. Orange and white. Says here, classic for radiant white skin, Bello Kojic soap. I'll quickly read the description that they have in here dito sa likod nung bar. So, it says here, Bello Intensive Whitening Bar, an intensive whitening bar that effectively clears dark spots, pimple marks, pigmentation, and ideal for normal to oily skin or combination skin. Hindi sinama dito yung dry skin, but I do have very dry skin. Clinically proven to whiten 64% better, dermatologist tested, and clinically proven. For best results, very important to follow this one, guys. Discontinue other whitening brands 1 week prior to use, as this may not be compatible with Bello Intensive Whitening Bar. Use twice daily, face and body. There might be a slight stinging and itchiness as the active works in the exfoliating of the skin. If prolonged irritation occurs, please discontinue. Here, you can use this with Bello Intensive Whitening Body Cream, face and neck, especially if you have dry skin. And I do have dry skin, guys. And the active ingredient of this product is Kojic soap and Trinacemic acid. So, alam nyo naman yung Kojic soap is very effective to whiten the skin and getting rid of the pigmentation and the melanin production and all of that good stuff. So all of the description, guys, in here is of course written in English. All of the information that you needed is gonna be in the box. This is 65 grams. Super cute. Just gonna link down the seller that I got mine from. I bought it from Amazon. And of course, not sponsored, guys, ha. But if you are, of course, in the Philippines, this is readily available nationwide sa supermarkets, drugstores, and sa mga suking tindahan, for sure, baka meron neto. And this one retails for 60 pesos, I believe. I don't know if they have a bigger variant of this soap. Let me know if they have a bigger one because I'm actually excited. And I'm actually excited if they have a bigger variant. But this one kasi is 65 grams. Around 60 pesos. But if you are here in the States, it retails around $6 to $10 depending where you get yours from, either online or Filipino stores here in the States or outside the country. So, yon. Michael is here. Hi, guys!
Hi, guys!
Yes. So, I really like this soap, guys. I started using it 2 weeks ago. And like I said, very curious ako if super effective ba siya. Actually, my sister recommended this to me. And she said that she really likes this soap and I should try it. And I tried it and I really like it, guys. I have dry skin and to tell you, this works for my skin and really better talaga siya. Okay, well, Michael is here. Okay, Michael just here. Michael's gonna stay here, guys, ha? So, it is really good, guys. I really like this soap. And like I said in the introduction neto, guys, dito sa description niya, please discontinue other soaps if you are using this. And that's what I did. Nag-stop ako ng Jinju and some other soap that I use. Usually because I use two soaps. One for cleansing and then one for the after babad and stuff like that. So I stopped using other soaps because it says there nga na stop using other soaps when you're using Bello Kojic acid soap. So that's what I did. So I actually really stopped and I really saw the difference in my skin. In 1 week time, I saw the big difference, guys. Mas smaller yung pores ko. I don't know why, pero mas smaller yung pores ko. Mas pino siya. I don't know why, but I really like the soap, guys. My pores is a lot more smaller, mas makinis siya, and it also did not dry my skin very well. For the pigmentation and all the dark spot, it really works, guys. I mean, it's not a miracle soap, but within 1 week, you're gonna see your skin is But within 1 week, guys, you're gonna see your skin is a lot more lighter, more brighter. I wouldn't say white because white is like snow white, pero imposible naman yun. But for me, I really like it. I really love it. For sure that mine is almost out na rin talaga, actually. So later, when we go to the Asian store, I'm gonna buy another soap. Okay, there you go. So when we go to the store later, I'm gonna buy another box of that soap because I really find it very effective. I think the only thing that I didn't like about this soap, medyo maliit lang talaga siya because compared to other Kojic soap, they're bigger, they're thicker. This one is a lot more smaller compared to other beauty bars that I've tried. But for me, that's okay because nonetheless, the soap is very effective and it's intensive, and compared to bigger soap na you keep applying nga, malaki nga siya pero hindi naman siya effective. So I'd rather have one na smaller pero mas effective siya. So I like this one. I'm actually gonna go out later and buy me a second soap. One bar actually lasted me at least 2 weeks. So medyo, kasi smaller siya, because smaller siya, that's why it only lasted me 2 weeks. So later on guys, when we go to the Asian store, I'm gonna get mine kasi meron na ito sa Asian store dito. But I'm gonna be on my second box of Bello Intensive Kojic soap because I find it very effective, especially for my dry skin. I did not experience itchiness or tingling sensation just because maybe I'm so used to using Kojic soap, but I really find this very effective. So guys, if you are gonna ask me which one is better, Bello ba or Koji-san, for me right now, I can definitely tell na I really like Bello. I'm gonna go on my second soap or my second bar. That's why I find it very effective and gusto ko siya mas smoother sa skin, mas nakakalinis siya, very clean siya kasi guys and hindi very drying, and I really like it so much. I couldn't say anything much pa sa soap na to. No side effect or anything for me. I really like it, and sana matry mo rin tong soap na to if you haven't tried it yet, and if you are already using it, please let me know, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I guess that's it for today's vlog because I really just want to share this with you guys because I find it very effective and I really like it. And yun lang naman for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hindi pa pala bye-bye guys. So since it's going to be my birthday, May 23 ang birthday ko. This coming May 23, I'm going to be 33 years old na. Yes, I am 33 years old. So magpapa-giveaway tayo guys. It's been a while since nagpa-giveaway tayo. So now I'm gonna pick out 3 lucky winners na mananalo ng 500 pesos gift card or gift check. Ipopost ko na lang dito yung Sodexo na gift check ba yun or yung gift cash ba yun. So you can spend it and buy whatever you want because it's my birthday. I wanna share my blessings with you guys. Very simple lang yung mechanics neto. Just subscribe to my channel and comment down below why you wanna win, and share this video and use the hashtag Rachel birthday giveaway 33. Basta guys, just check the mechanics in the description bar. Very easy, and I hope na sana manalo ka, and I will be drawing the winners sa birthday ko actually. Sa May 23, that would be May 24 sa Pilipinas. So, yun lang muna guys. Super excited na ako kung sinong mananalo. Don't forget to join my giveaway kasi medyo matagal na since huli ako nagpa-giveaway. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!